Engineers have developed a microscope that leverages machine learning to adjust lighting angle, colors and patterns to improve diagnosis. The initial work on the proof of concept is carried out on malarial parasites. Engineers have embedded the LEDs in the light source. This throws the lights on the sample from different angles with different colors. After seeing the microscope's initial success, the team sent the LED pattern and algorithm to partnering labs. The team will continue to develop the machine learning algorithm and the microscope. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steam Daily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribing out YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.